Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel. So to this video guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa Dar Al Salam Mall with the gang. Where is Gray? See? So guys, we are here to see. Kasi alam nyo naman guys, magdi-December na. Ganito talaga guys ang buhay OFW. Lahat ng mall binibisita kasi kung may mga sale, bibili kasi para maipadala sa Philippines. Yan guys ang ating mga trabaho. So naghahanap tayo ng mura na mga pwedeng bilhin para mailagay natin sa cargo. So magpapakargo tayo kasi 'di ba malapit na ang Pasko. So here we go. Andito tayo. So guys, hindi kami nagtagal doon kasi wala akong masyadong nagustuhan. Hindi ko siya gusto yung mga yung mga items. Anyway, nakabili lang ako ng pang-personal. So ngayon guys, napag-isipan namin pupunta na lang muna kami ng Cornish. Mag-jogging na lang muna kami. So ayan guys, oh. So which place is this?
Abu Humar.
So we are here in Abu Hamur. Ayan. Nasa Abu Hamur din. Muhan. CB.
Now we are entering December.
Yes. So we are lucky because Mohan is always with us. He always offer where you want to go. Wow, nice. I can cut that Mohan, don't worry. Yan, see? We are in Abu Hamur.
No, this is December.
This is Misaid.
Miss Samir.
Ay, Misamir.
Inside the 60 kilometers.
We are in Misamir. Ayan. Hello guys, good evening. Good evening everyone. So guys, we are going to Turkish restaurant for our dinner. Yay! See? Dahil sahod ni Gray, so manglilibre siya guys. But it's too late. Our dinner is too late. Turkish restaurant. So what will you order? What kind of food? Chicken kebab again? Chicken kebab? For me, I love to eat in Turkish restaurant. You know what I want to eat? Lamb chop with the French fries and salad. And after that, after eating, I want lemon juice with mint. Okay, so nandito tayo ngayon guys, naglalakad. So ayan, malapit na guys. Nandito kami na sa may which place is this? Hilal?
Old Airport.
We are here in Old Airport. Alam nyo guys, everywhere talaga ang Turkish restaurant. See? Turkey Anadolu. So dyan kami guys kakain. So ayan. Sa Old Airport pala kami today. Ayan. So dito tayo ngayon. Pasok lang kayo. Ayun. Ay, dito pala yung entrance. The entrance. Nandito pala. Ayun. Ano to dito? Takeaway? Dine-in talaga? I see. So, dito tayo. Sarap naman guys ng mga pagkain dito. Ayan o.
Chicken biryani.
Ayan. Sarap ng mga pagkain nila dito guys, in fairness. Ayan o. Saan tayo? There? Dito na lang kami. Tatlo. Ayan, so dito kami open. And then, dito yung mga menu nila. Wow, ang sarap. O, diba? So, gabing-gabi na kasi. So, siguro sa mga ano lang ako, guys. Sa light food. Kasi gabi na. Alam nyo naman. Ayan. So, ayan guys. Nandito na kami ngayon sa Turkish restaurant. At yan ang aming food. Our dinner for today. Ayan yung sauce. Garlic sauce. This is the bread. And, look at this. With french fries. Sarap. And 1 piece of chili. Ayan. And, there is some salad. This is the, you know, this is the salad. Yeah, this one. Okay, let me try. I don't know the taste. Sarap.
Sarap ka bread.
So, bread. Yung order niya, hindi pa. Ang order niya is Bukhari rice. Bukhari with chicken. So, masarap din yun, guys. Yung ano na yun. So, ito guys, isawsaw natin dito. Yung french fries sa garlic sauce na to. Ayan. So, tikman natin. Harap ko. Ayan na, guys. Ayan na yung kanyang order. Bukhari rice. Ayan. Yummy.
Yung price mo?
So, kain tayo, guys. Ayan. This one. Sarap na eh.
Yay.
Sarap. Ayan. Baka masarap naman siya. Ayan. So, ayan guys. Tingnan mo. Sarap ng kain niya. Kamay pa yan siya guys. Masarap talaga guys yung Bukhari rice na. Ako naman guys. Ayaw ko mag-rice kasi gabi na. Ito na lang ako. Sarap na ma'am. Ito. Chicken. So, nag-french fries muna ako, guys. Ayan. Sarap. Sarap ng guys ng ano, garlic sauce. Sarap ng garlic sauce na to, guys. Ayan. Sarap.
Parang busog ako. Kumain pala tayo doon.
Busog nga ako eh. So guys, we already finished our dinner. So thank you for the food. It's yummy, yummy, yummy. Thank you for watching. Say something there. Say something. Say something, Muhay. Thank you for the food.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, thank you for watching, guys. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye-bye. Thank you, guys.